Hello there guys, it's Mr. Gerardo406 or Gerard S0406, and today we're going to be showcasing my Wunderfizz Black Ops 2 mod and of course showing an install. So first we're going to go through the install, and then after that we can go to the showcase with all the new features in the update and everything you can do with the mod. So if you already know how to do this, I will just put a timestamp in the description to skip to the showcase, where I'll just briefly go through the features, and then I will go through every map showing the locations that the mod already has, and yeah, of course, and then showing you how to add new locations. So here is what the GitHub will look like once I release the new version. It'll have the new Wunderfizz update and the old Wunderfizz GSE file, as well as the two pre-compiled versions, the old one and then the new one, as you can see right here. So if you're not merging with any mods, this is an easy way to just put this right into your server and it will run right away. And if you don't know how to put that into your server, let me just open up my server. So you go to T6R data, and then here you create a maps folder, and then inside that you create an MP folder, and then a game types _ZM, and then you drag this cliented file into here. Now if you're like me, you like to merge mods together, which is why I put the source code right here. So I'm going to be merging this with a with just a GSC fix, like it fixes the reset game. Reset. I can't even speak English, but anyways, I always like to put this on 15 instead of 20. Because if it's 20, on some maps it doesn't work. I'm trying to remember what map, but yeah. If you use this, I'll leave this mod in the description as well. Jesus Lizards mod. So, anyways, let's get into installing the Wunderfizz into this. So, once you have the Wunderfizz file, you can just double click to open it, and then you will see these include files here at the top. If you're missing any of these in this one, all you want to do is copy them over with Control C and Control V real quickly. And then here's the init function. As you can see, my init function only requires thread setup Wunderfizz, so you can just copy that. And make sure you don't put it below this, because anything below this will never run, because this is a for loop and it's basically an infinite loop. There's no breaks, so anything below this will not be ran. So just put it up here above the loop. All of these will run basically at the same time because they are threaded. And then after that, you just want to copy all of the Wunderfizz code from top to bottom, and you can paste it here or at the bottom. It doesn't really matter where. I'm just going to paste it here, just like that. And scroll to the top. And yeah, so don't touch any of this stuff. This is dvar stuff that goes with the config file, which we'll go into next. But right here you'll see all of the locations. For origins, I just have 2 locations set up just for this tutorial. The actual release of the mod will only include 1 location, which will be this first one. We have Origins, we have Nuketown with 3 locations, Maw of the Dead with 6 locations, Buried with 6 locations, Transit with 6 locations, and die rise with 5 locations. So every map has movable locations, and you can add locations or remove locations if you want. And I will show you all the locations in game once we get to that part of the video. So now once you have all of this in, you can just quickly save. Just save the file. And then, so here's the saved file. Then just throw it into the compiler. And you want to rename this to _client IDs. And then you just want to open up your game types _ZM folder in your Black Ops 2 server and drag that on over just like you would with the pre-compiled version, except this one includes a mod with it. Okay, so now you have merged codes together and put it into your your server. So now let's show the different configurations you can do with this Wunderfizz. So we can go into data and open up our dedicated ZM server config file. And in here, obviously you can change the server name, all these default settings, and then right here are the Wunderfizz options. So right here, these are all of the default settings. Well, actually this one is a default, so it will by default check for power, so make sure power is on before working. And then you can set the cost of the Wunderfizz. It's normally 1500, so that's default. And then set Wunderfizz use random start location. So this is for using a random starting location. We're gonna do that just for this video, but the default is 0 because, well, on Origins it always starts on Gen 4, I believe, unless I'm an idiot. But anyways, it defaults to 0. So once you put these in, you don't have to put them in. If you don't put them in, it'll just be the default value. But if you do put them in, you can edit them however you want. So we're just going to use a random start location. So then save. Oh, and also all of the, if you don't use random start location, the first Wunderfizz that you set up in each of these will be the starting location. So once you have your config saved and the script put into your server, all you have to do now is start up your server. So there we go, the server is starting. Now I'm going to close it, well, not close it, but we're going to restart it because I'm just going to go through every map. So we have finished the installation of the mod. Now we're going to go through every map and show. Hello guys, welcome back. So this is for everyone who wasn't here for the installation. We are back to go over the Wunderfizz and how to add locations, etc. So basically, to add locations, all you have to do is copy a line, paste it, change the coordinates, the angles, and then I would use the same model, but I mean, you can use whatever model you want. And then same for Origins, but I would recommend you use the actual model. And then you can also obviously delete machine locations. So we're using 2 on Origins for today just to show it off, but there's usually only one. There will be only one on the release because obviously the Wunderfizz is already in the map, and this Wunderfizz, the only way to power it on is by turning on all 6 generators. That's how our Wunderfizz works. So yeah, and then the config file, it's pretty simple. Make sure it checks for power 1. Make sure you can set the cost to 1500. You can set it so it uses a random start location. So right now it will use a random start location. So let's have fun. I'm gonna actually turn the power off, or make sure that it doesn't check for power, just because this is a video showing it off. But yeah, actually no, let's leave it on, because why the heck not? So that means we don't have to restart the server. So let's just go right into the game. And hopefully no one just like stumbled across my server and joined. And we are in spectating mode. So that's cool. We're just gonna exit out and go back into it. Okay, so I gave myself a Mark II and 500,000 points just so we can quickly get through this. But as you can see here, here's one of the locations on transit, and as you can see, the power must be activated first. We're just gonna open the door so he goes faster, and let's build this so we can get the bus part, because that's fun to do, because it's transit. But yeah, there's nothing really else to talk about with the mod until the power is on, but I will show the locations going up to the power. So hello guys, welcome back. So this is the second location in transit. You can see the power must be activated first, so that is all we really have to show. Hello guys, welcome back. So we are here at the diner, and here is the next location, the third location, right outside the garage where the box is. So there you go, and we'll be back. Hey guys, we are back. So the next location is here at farm, across from Double Tap, all the way over here, and here is the fourth location here at the farm. So that was pretty easy, and yeah, I'll see you next. Next we'll be at the power station. We can build the power, which is also... Hey guys, welcome. We are here at the power station, and here is the fifth location right outside of power. So now let's go down and turn the power on. I will be... Hey guys, so we have turned the power on, and we can now check out the machine, and it says that the orb is at another location. Now let's hurry up and get on the bus. Okay, there we go. And I will be back once we find the sixth location, and then we will actually go to the official... So we are back here at the town, and here is the sixth and final location on transit. And as you can see, it is at another location. So I will be back once we find that final location. And yeah, because it's random, so So guys, we are back, and we have found the Wunderfizz location. It's here in the tunnel, so let's purchase it. And I'm just gonna keep spinning it until we get the teddy bear to show you guys the movement feature. And hopefully this hurries up so we can get a teddy bear and hop on the bus. That's unfortunate. Ah, it's too late anyways. And we didn't even get a teddy bear. So yeah, the model changes to a teddy bear on all maps other than Origins, where on Origins you just get a teddy bear bottle. As you can see there's the teddy bear, and now it will move locations. So you may be wondering, how do you know what the new location is? And right now it's a little bit glitched on when you make it check for power, so I'm gonna have to fix that before I release it to you guys. But basically what it does is it shows a mystery box light for the location of the Wunderfizz, which is pretty cool. But as you can see, it's not working here. My gosh, dude. These guys are annoying. See, I really don't know what location it's at right now. So I'll have to fix that up. But yeah. Hello y'all and welcome. So as you can see, we are starting here on Nuketown, and we have a random mystery box light which corresponds with the Wunderfizz machine. So the power is automatically on Nuketown, so you can quickly just go to the Wunderfizz machine and get your perks, so you don't have to wait for the perks to drop if you want to play like that. There are only 3 locations on this map, and hopefully we see them all. Well, we will, because I'm going to show you. But as you can see there, we just got the teddy bear, so it's going to move, as you can see. And this is one of the locations right here, and it looks like this is the location, as I can see the light around it. So let's get a perk. We got Jug. And that is the last perk, so it only shows the last perk. We're not going to pick it up, we're just going to let it go to randomized. Now the chance that it randomizes, like that you get a teddy bear, is the same as the real Wunderfizz. So as you can see there, we didn't get it this time. After 3 spins, now here's number 4. And we got it after number 4, where last time we got it after number 3. Well, at number 3, that was at number 4. So let's see where this one goes. Did it just go into the house? I think he just went into the house. Yep. So it doesn't want to show us that house, unfortunately, but we can just walk over there anyways and go to that location. Here we go. There's the last location. Okay, so here we are on Die Rise. I believe there's 5 locations on this map, and here's location number 1. So yeah, there's 1 location. And let's go to the next location. So here's the next location right here, next to the first box location. Really nice and easy. So here's the 3rd location right here, right next to power. Let's turn that on. And as you can see, this is not the chosen location. But let's find. And here is the 4th location right here. Right upstairs on the roof. And then the fifth location is right over here, the fifth and final location for the Wunderfizz. It's through here, and it's right here. So now let's find the real location to make sure it is working, because I don't know if I've tested on all the maps. Pretty sure it should be working, but you never know, right? So we are back. We have found the location. It is here right by the mystery box. And as you can see, it is working perfectly like it should. It randomizes through all the perks. And then gets teddy bear and changes. So here it is. We have found the next location, and we can just pick up quick revive or who's who. Let's take it because it's die rise, so why not? As you can see, we can only hold 4 perks, so it does stay true to your perk limit, whatever perk limit you set. Okay, so we have just loaded into Mob of the Dead. Now on this map, because power works differently, basically the Wunderfizz will work immediately. And as you can see, this is not the initial location because we don't have the box light. I have fixed that bug, so yeah, so it'll work for the rest of this video, or it should. We'll have to see. So this is this next location. As you can see, this is the current location, so why not just get our perks? Just getting our perks. We're not going to get it, so we can change locations. Gosh, guys, it's only round 1. Oh, I hate nukes. And that's the teddy bear model, because there is no teddy bear model on Mob of the Dead, unfortunately. So it's just a black box. And as you can see, no light, because it has moved. So. And this right here is the 3rd location on Mob of the Dead, in the Warden's office. As you can see, it is not here. So guys, we are back. This is the 4th location right here. So as you can see, the light is not there, and as you can see, we have 2 lights in the sky. One is the box, one is the Wunderfizz, and it looks like the Wunderfizz is on the roof. Either that or it's on the bridge. It's either on the roof or the bridge. I think it's on the roof. So hey guys, so I am back. I actually died, and this was the first Wunderfizz location for me. So as you guys can see, the randomized start location does work. As you can see, no downs because this is a new game. So that's unfortunate. But, you know, it's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. I hope we get jugs. The zombie would stop being an absolute a-hole. But we probably won't get jug. I'm gonna wait till we get jug, because yeah. But after this, I'll just show you guys the other 2 locations. And we got the. So we are back, and here we are with the 5th location, just right here on the roof. So there it is, and it seems the Wunderfizz is right there, or I'm standing on top of it, either one. But yeah, let's go to the bridge where the final Wunderfizz location is located.
There has to be a way to break the cycle. What did I do wrong? How do I put things right?
So here we are on the bridge, and here is the 6th and final location right here on the bridge. So yeah, those are all 6 locations for the Wunderfizz on. Hello y'all, and welcome to Buried. So as you can see here is the first location for the Wunderfizz, as you can see by the light. And power must be activated first, so okay, so we have turned the power on, so let's just get this going.
For now, you must focus on only gaining control of the tower above ground.
Just gonna get some perks until it moves.
So, no pressure then?
The components necessary to build an energy conduit to power the tower can all be sourced from this location. When you find them, you must ensure that they are not used to help Marxists.
Host 5, dang dude. This one doesn't want to go away. But there she is, the teddy bear. And the light is gone. How sad. So the second location is going to be right here in the gunsmith. Pretty easy location. So the next location is right here, next to the saloon, on top of here, pretty much on the gunsmith. So the next location is right here outside of the church. Not much else to say. So the next location is going to be right here next to the well, in the maze. So it was very easy for me to find it because this was just open. So now for the final. So here it is, the 6th and final location, right next to Stamina, above Pack-a-Punch. So those are all the locations on Buried. So now I will see you guys. So here we are on Origins for the final map, basically. So here's how it works on Origins. We've got the real Wunderfizz model, and here are the 2 locations. Now there will only be 1 location in the upload because you obviously already have the Wunderfizz, and this one only works once all 6 generators are activated. So I'm back with all 6 generators activated, so let's give this a go. And Jug, thank you. Yummy, yummy. If we don't get a teddy bear here, we're not gonna get it. We're just gonna wait till we get a teddy bear so we can show off the final move. Damn, it doesn't want to move, guys.
How am I meant to work when all around me I am beset by the voices of the damned downed and the doomed focus?
There it is. There she is.
Must remember Max's
Double tap. And yeah, there we go. The Wunderfizz mod is completed. If you guys have any other suggestions for mods, just leave them in the comments below or on the Plutonium forum page. Anything is good, whatever. Any big projects I am willing to take on since it's summer. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I actually am going to show you one more thing. I'm going to show you transit after the bug fix that I did during the middle of this video, and hopefully it will work. So here we are back on transit, and as you can see, we have two lights. That one is for the Wunderfizz and that one is for the box, which is a diner. That one has more of a purplish glow, it looks like. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, any more suggestions, leave them in the comments or on the Plutonium forum page, which will be linked in the description. And happy modding, happy watching, happy summer. Thank you guys.